we're working, and we bought this camera so that we can become YouTube famous. But Jelly don't believe that we can, cause she's a hater.
Okay, take it back off.
She's camera shy. She's scared for people to see her. No.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we like to fix cars and shit. Oh, can I say shit?
No.
Okay. Just,
Stuff.
We get demonetized on the 2 cents we're gonna try to make.
just bleep it out. We'll
Yeah.
put one of them car horns. We'll put one of them car horns over top of the shit. But this is Hank. This is Max. Hank's fat ass wants some food.
You're not supposed to say bad word.
We're gonna put the car horn over it.
Oh, I'm not even on you. I'm on the damn ground.
Oh my lord. We're still trying to figure this YouTube stuff out. How about say it again? Well, we're gonna go famous. And Jayla's,
She's camera shy.
she's camera shy. She's scared of the people behind the camera.
That'd be like, what? Why does that old man complain so damn
Yeah,
much?
somebody take that, Ken. Y'all need to feed this dog? Nah, you gotta feed it.
Oh. That's what you do. You can send this to my mother too. Mother.
Jealous camera shy as hell.
I don't like being in
Kaylee don't even talk.
Make me feel weird because
Yeah,
I
it's
don't know what to
fucking
say
weird.
on the video.
Yeah. Hey. Talk to the hand.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm sitting here.
Why?
I don't feel comfortable being filmed.
Kenny loves it. He said, I don't see no camera.
There ain't no camera.
What else am I supposed to do? I thought you were painting.
I needed you there for emotional support. Hell, y'all got Kaylee driving. Oh, we finna be in the ditch.
Hurry up and get us there. Here, Jayla, hold this.
If y'all want to hurry up and get there, y'all want to be riding.
Hey,
with
can we
Kaylee.
buy a ski mask?
Kaylee go around the elbow, get to the butthole.
I do not.
Long way to Anderson.
I know how to. Not supposed to do celebration since we're gonna be going at the beach. And I had to give me a no make a flag because mine fell on the ground last year off my Jeep.
I don't know what kind of door is this damn big.
You trim it. But our doors probably are that tall. I don't know.
Oh, is this going in the? This ain't going on the bottom.
No,
Oh,
it's going up the sides.
oh. Well, that ain't got. This probably is it.
You think?
Yeah, I thought it was going on the bottom, so I thought it was going to be fat.
No, no, no.
I thought you was going to hit me in the face or something. I got scared.
That's what you should have done to Alex.
A fight
Oh, fuck yeah, Alex.
with Alex.
Fuck yeah, Alex.
Yeah, Alex at the Lowe's.
Alex just sucked my nuts.
Alex was a smart ass in Lowe's.
I'm confused.
You can't tell her?
Hey, baby, what time you get off of work?
Oh my god. Kitty. Okay, I want a cookout tray.
He is.
Don't fuck me.
Okay. We in the Wally world. We got Hank a toy, some toothpaste. We got a headset.
Got some tampons.
Ken's got
deodorant.
tampons. Jayla's got, yeah, more stuff. Kaylee's got a big old bed. But we're trying to find a microphone at the moment. I don't think we see any. We got a problem. We need a mic.
I want to take a ride on your disco stick.
So yesterday we didn't get enough footage. Today we're back. Kenny's putting a grill together.
Oh, that's backwards.
If he can figure out how. And then I'm installing a bigger leveling kit because it does not sit high enough. So I have a MaxTrack leveling kit right here. I think Kenny might have figured out the grill. Let's come to the driver's side. I've almost got the wheel ready to come off, and I'm gonna get the old leveling kit off and get the new one on. So on this side, this is the little leveling kit. It's just a little piece at the bottom of the strut, and it's not lifted up high enough in the front end. So I have a complete strut spacer to go on top up here instead of this little one down here, which doesn't really do a whole lot. So I'm gonna get this thing ripped apart and get that installed. The strut, got the spacer put on it. I had to cut the threads right there, trim them up so that it would clear up in there. And Kenny is starting to get the grill put back together.
Oh, she's about to be together.
Getting the
She's about to
trim.
go back in that thing.
Got to put it back in.
Gotta put it back in there.
Got the trim. Got to put the grill in it, and then the bottom bumper piece, and then there's a couple little pieces that have to go on the bed side. I get the leveling kit done. This truck will be done. Get it washed. It's ready to be picked up. I'm gonna get new bolts because they're a little too long because of that spacer at the bottom. But that side is put together. And Kenny's having to go get some clips for this to clip that back together with. You got a carve all over your hands?
Yes, because these people up here at McDonald's
Oh, I dropped my straw.
ain't finished their high school education. They can't even make
Oh,
frappe nice and neat.
the best thing right here.
Look at all that. Look at all that on the side. Put that on the camera. Look at all that.
So we went to O'Reilly's, got the bolts I need to put back in the bottom of that. Got grade 8 hardware, of course. And then this side will be done. Put them bolts in it, tightened up, put the wheel and tire on this side. And this side is done, set it back down, show you the difference in driver's side compared to the passenger side. And well, I got this side done.
Got this side done.
That one's done. It sits a little bit more level now. It was nosediving really hard. The grill is in it. Kenny is now putting the lower valence on. And we'll wash it, and this truck will be ready to get picked up. We got the truck finished up. Leveling kit is on. Truck's washed and is ready to get picked up.